Hello and welcome to my channel where I'm going to share some nice Excel VBA techniques and tricks that can be helpful to everyone who value their time. I will also share my thoughts about the Excel VBA in general, and my goal is to demonstrate that Excel is still a powerful tool that can be used by companies and organizations to establish efficient and quality processes that are too expensive to automate using an in-house built software or a third-party professional solution. Surprisingly, many business users spend hours and sometimes days trying to accomplish some of their Excel tasks without realizing that it can be done in minutes. In my first video, I'm going to demonstrate a simple project that will help you to get an idea of what you would be able to apply in your own work. And this is a very common scenario. Let's say you have a source file from one of your company's systems, and it can be any Excel readable file. For instance, another Excel file, CSV, or a text file with some delimited values. And let's say your job is to extract some of those values from this file into a report of some sort. Here, I've got a sample data file, and let's have a look at it. We have customer number column, customer description, date, sales amount, and cost of sales amount. Let's say our goal is to fill up our master report file with the net revenue number, which is calculated as sales minus cost of sales. This needs to be done for each customer for a specific date. And doing this manually can take good 10-15 minutes. And imagine if you have hundreds of those customers and you have to do it every day, right? So here is the file that we will be trying to fill up. And all you have to do is to run a function from the agents tab. I have here a menu called net revenue, and underneath there is a sub-menu called upload sales data. So we click on that, then we have to select our data file and specify the date that we would like to be extracted. So for this demonstration, I will use 01/03/2023, and we select OK, and there you have it. All the net sales are filled up for each customer for January 3rd, 2023. So in my next videos, I'm going to start from basics, and I will eventually coach and cover each part of this project so you can build a similar one on your own. Cheers and good luck.